How to download and install Paint.net for Windows. Paint.net is a free and powerful image and photo editing software for Windows. It has many features and tools that can help you create and edit your images. Here are the steps to download and install Paint.net for Windows. Go to the official website of Paint.net and click on the Download Now button. You will be redirected to a page where you can choose a download option. You can either download Paint.net from the Microsoft Store, which requires Windows 10, or from .pdn, which works on Windows 7 or later. If you choose to download from the Microsoft Store, you will need to sign in with your Microsoft account and click on the Get button. The Paint.net app will be automatically downloaded and installed on your PC. If you choose to download from .pdn, you will need to click on the Download button under the Paint.net zip option. This will download a zip file that contains the setup file for Paint.net. After downloading the zip file, you need to extract it using a program like WinRAR or 7-zip. Then, run the setup file and follow the instructions to install Paint.net on your PC. Once the installation is complete, you can launch Paint.net from the Start menu or the desktop shortcut. You can also check for updates and plugins from the Help menu.